Today I'm going to show you how to find a particular database going through the library's webpage. So we have to start at the library's webpage, which is tamucc.edu/library. From here we're going to scroll on down until we see this blue Databases button. It turns green when you hover over it. It's right under the quick search box. And clicking on this takes us to a list of all of the databases you have access to here at TAMU-CC. You can see right here we have 362 databases, so there's a lot to go through. If you know what particular database you need to be searching in, there are two routes to go about finding it. The first is up here in this search box. You can start typing the name of the database. So I'm going to search for the database CINAHL, which is a database used by nursing researchers. I'm going to click go over here, and CINAHL pops up right here. I can click on the title of the database and it will open in a new tab for me. And from here I can start searching. Or if you just need to send a link to this database to someone else, maybe you're working on a group project or maybe you are collaborating on some research with folks, you can go ahead and grab a link to this database by clicking this little share button. And it comes up right here and you can share that link. I am on campus, so it did not ask me to log in, but often if you're off campus, once you click the title of the database, it'll ask you to go through that dual push authentication, those steps, before you can access the full database. Totally normal. It is just one of the hoops to jump through. The other way that you can find a database, if you know the name of it, is to look at this bar here along the bottom of the search box, which has the alphabet all lined up. You can just select a letter here. For example, I'm going to select P because I'm going to look for psych info. Selecting the letter limits the results of the databases in this list here. I'm going to scroll on down until I see psych info right here. And again, I can click on this title to jump into the database, or I can grab a link here and share this with other researchers. If you have any questions, if you're having trouble finding a database you need, anything like that, there's always down here the Ask Us chat, which you can click on and it'll pop on up. And you can ask in this box, how do I find whatever database you're looking for? The chat will be answered by either a TAMU-CC librarian, a TAMU-CC graduate assistant, or if it's after 8 to 5 Monday through Friday, it'll be answered by a librarian who works somewhere in the country as part of a chat co-op. So ask your question and we will absolutely do our best to help you find the database you need. Best of luck with your research.